Hey, what's going on, everybody? All right, I'm actually bringing you some art today. If you can believe it. I'm gonna try something I haven't done before. It's gonna be well, I guess a type of flow, but this one's gonna be a little different because I'm gonna be using this thing right here to move the paint around. I'm gonna cover this with white, and then I'm gonna be using metallic blue. That's so pretty, isn't it? Black, and what little bit of silver I had left. And when I say little bit, I scraped 3 tubes just to get that amount. And then of course we got our white that we're going to be putting on there. And I'm going to cover this with the white first. And then I'm going to put my blue, black, and silver here in the middle. And then a little white there, a little white there. And we're going to move the paint back and forth. And I'll be blowing. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Oh, I did use Floetrol on the silver, the black, and the blue, metallic blue. And I put a little bit of dimethicone silicone in each of those 3. The white is just white and water, and that's it. All right, so let's get. Now, as soon as I plug this hair dryer in, this is my spray paint hair dryer, so it's gunked up in the controls. So as soon as I turn this on, it ain't gonna shut off till I unplug it. So that's gonna be interesting. But anyway, actually I may, let's see. Yeah, I'll just use it like this here. That way I can just unplug it directly from there. All right, let's get some white paint on here, shall we? All right, so what do I want to put down for? You know what? Let's put that black down first. We'll go right across here in the middle like this. All right. Let's do the blue next. Yeah, we want a lot of blue here, boys. A lot of blue here. Yep. And then let's put that silver on top of that. Like so. Oh yeah, we want a lot of silver in there. Now, let's go ahead and put more blue on top of that. Like so. Yep. And a little more black on top of that. Like so. Alright, now, let's get our white. And let's put us a little thin line here. And a little thin line here. Let's put some paint, shall we? yeah, boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm digging that. Oh, yeah. This is pretty freaking cool. Oh, yeah. I'm digging this. All right. I'm going to flip this around. I'll show y'all what we're dealing with. Oh, my gosh. Check that out, folks. Oh, my goodness. That's so freaking awesome. Look at that. Oh, I love this. Oh, look at it. Let me get up close. Oh, look at all that stuff going on up in there. Oh my gosh. Oh, just, ooh, the depths of the blue right there against popping off against that black. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Oh, I love this. I am digging this. This is awesome. This is freaking awesome. All right, I'm going to hop off here, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this. I'm going to tell you what, for the first time doing it like this, sometimes I impress even myself, Jack. Wow. This might go on a wall somewhere in this house. I don't know yet. We'll have to see. I have to clear it with the boss in the other room, see what she says. But, oh my, I'm really liking this. And it's just, look at all the sails. All the freaking sails in this thing. I mean, they're everywhere. That's that silicone I put in there. Oh, this area right here has got to be my absolute favorite of this piece. Just that, oh man, it's just mesmerizing. And then it continues up into here. And then you've got some grays and silvers, and then you've got like this deep black here surrounded by the blue and the silver and the lighter blue. Oh, this is awesome. I love it. Freaking love it. All right, people. I got to get off here. It's getting close to my bedtime. I said I hope y'all enjoyed it. Told y'all I was going to bring you some more art soon. And here you go. I did. And wow. Can you tell I like it? This is awesome. Like I said, if you like it, hit that like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Show me some love. Show me some support. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. If you have any suggestions, or something you think I could have done differently, or let me know what you think of it. I think it turned out awesome. Let me know what you guys think. And until next time, I love each and every one of you. Y'all, please, please, please be good to each other. And I'll bring you something again real soon.